Good morning. It is Monday, April the 6th. This quarantine thing's got me all messed up. Alright, today I need to do some tire work. I got two brand new tires. I did one on the front the other day. Got these nice new Michelin Commanders. Pretty nice tire. Seems pretty nice anyway. But I'm waiting for a call now from the local motorcycle shop because I pinched the tube. Actually, I think what I did is that little rubber strip that goes over the spokes, I think it moved when I put the tire back together, and now it's got a pinhole leak. So today I got to take it back apart. Hopefully I can get a new inner tube for it. And I got the new back tire in. I haven't done it yet, but I'm considering giving it a go today. I've never changed my own tires. This is the first time on a motorcycle. I've done bicycles throughout the years, plenty, but not motorcycles. Alright, if you can see, these tires, like right there, there's a really good crack. It's split. There's splits around them. There's more dry rot down there. But there's tons of tread. I mean, they're good tires, they're hard. They're hard and they got some cracks. So I'm not sure if I'm comfortable still using them. So I pulled the front one off. The front one had a lot more cracks than the back one. This just seems like a much better tire. It's got grip. Those old ones don't have any grip at all. And of course, the other day when I had the tire off and put it on, I didn't put the speedometer hub back on properly. And I snapped my speedometer cable. I guess these are God's way of letting us know. Here's a lesson, you're going to learn it whether you like it or not. So what I had done is I changed my front bearings. And when I put them back in, I didn't put them over to one side far enough. And my speedometer hub was not setting properly on the side of my rim. I didn't realize that. When I was going down the road, it grabbed and tried to spin, yanking the speedometer cable and snapping it. But found the error of my ways. It's been fixed. Now I got to do is get a new inner tube in it, fix the speedometer cable, and get this back tire changed. And I think I'm going to knock the back tire out today. While I'm waiting here for this front inner tube. If I can get the inner tube for the front today, I'll do both. But we'll see. Let's hang out. Alright, saved you a lot of pain and suffering watching me work, but I managed to do it and it didn't seem to be too bad. I got the back tire replaced. Michelin Commander 2. Seems, from what I read about them, they're nice tires. They're supposed to last a good bit. As long as you don't pop the inner tube to put them on, like I did the front tire. I guess I gotta get ready to pull it off. I called the local Harley dealership. They do have a 21-inch inner tube in stock, so I'm gonna get ready to run and go get that. Come back, do the front tire today, and hopefully the bike's done. All I need is the front speedometer cable, but I just looked and Amazon's pretty much backed up due to the coronavirus thing, so that won't be here for a couple weeks. But other than that, this bike's looking pretty good though, being about ready to where I can quit fooling with it all the time. Well, still a lot of things I want to do. I want to get the front, I want to get these replaced out to match those ones on the back. Eventually, I would like to get some mini ape hangers on this puppy. These, I don't like these when you turn, it comes to my knees. Maybe forward controls eventually. But other than that, this bike's about done, man. I'm happy. I'm happy with how it's turned out. Yeah. So let me go get this inner tube, and we will pull the front tire off and carry on.